Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can improve your video's sound quality with the help of Wondershare Filmora. I'm going to show you two settings. So this is my voice without sound adjustment, and now my sound is with the adjustment. So you can see the improvement. 5 seconds ago the sound quality was different, and now as you can hear me very clearly, there is no background noise. So now let's take a look how to improve the sound quality. So to adjust the settings, just open the Filmora and import any video. Now the first setting, once you add the video in your timeline, to get into the audio settings, just right click here and click on adjust audio. Once you click on adjust audio, you will see two settings. First is basic and second thing is denoise. I will do just two settings. Let's take a look at denoise. Under the denoise, you have two options: AI denoise, high quality, normal denoise, real time. Under that, you will see plenty of options which you can select and adjust as per your needs. But what I do in my video to improve my sound quality in YouTube videos is just two settings. First, AI denoise high quality, just enable it. Once you enable it, depending on your video length, it will process your video. If you play the video, the processing will stop. It will start again once you stop. So you have to make sure that your processing completes, then you can start editing. So now we will wait for its processing and then I will show you the next step. Now as you can see, the processing has been completed for a denoise. Now the second step is in the basic. If you click on basic and scroll down, you can review each and every settings, but what I'm going to suggest you is AI voice enhancer. Just enable it, and if you scroll down a little bit, there is a option called voice clarity. Increase this voice clarity up to 100%. After doing these two settings, your voice clarity will be changed dramatically. In every video, even the video you are watching right now, I applied the same settings. This is it for today's video. See you in the next one.